Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the INKEE Falcon Plus Action Camera Gimbal Stabilizer. If you're into action photography and videography, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Now, before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're a fan of high-quality gear like this. Alright, let's get started. The INKEE Falcon Plus Action Camera Gimbal Stabilizer is making waves in the world of action cameras. Well, it's because this gimbal is hands down the best GoPro gimbal available in the market today. Whether you're using a GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, or 5, or even an Osmo Action or Insta360, this gimbal has you covered. Let me break down some of the key features that make the INKEE Falcon Plus a standout choice. Support for GoPro Media Mod. First off, this gimbal is designed to work seamlessly with the GoPro Media Mod. No need to worry about compatibility issues, it's got you covered. Stable shooting. With 3 powerful motors, this gimbal ensures super smooth and stable footage. It can even handle the added weight of the Media Mod, which is a game-changer for content creators. Long battery life. You won't have to cut your adventures short to recharge. The built-in 2500 mAh battery offers up to 9 hours of use and can even charge your GoPro on the go. Multiple shooting modes. Whether you're into follow mode, lock mode, vertical shooting, or low-angle shots, this gimbal's got it all. Plus, it's a breeze to switch to time-lapse mode for stunning cinematic shots. Now, let's talk about how to use this fantastic gimbal. It's super user-friendly, but here are a few tips. Make sure to update to the latest firmware for perfect compatibility with your GoPro Hero camera. You can find the download link in the product details. Balancing is key for smooth footage. Check out the video at the end of the main picture for a step-by-step guide on how to balance your camera on the gimbal. The gimbal connects to your camera via Bluetooth, so you can control it wirelessly. Just remember, it works seamlessly with GoPro 12 cameras. Other cameras may not be compatible. But wait, there's more. When you purchase the INKEE Falcon Plus Gimbal Stabilizer, you also get some fantastic accessories. It comes with an extension rod for adjustable selfie shots and low-angle filming, as well as a handy mini tripod, perfect for those static shots. So, there you have it, folks, the INKEE Falcon Plus Action Camera Gimbal Stabilizer. It's the best GoPro gimbal on the market, and it's ready to take your action shots to the next level. If you're ready to elevate your action camera game, click the link in the description below to grab your very own INKEE Falcon Plus. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep capturing those epic moments and making memories. Happy filming!